Hello, welcome to day 2 of Airborne. The sun's out. What's happened? The weather's got better than yesterday. So yesterday there was a lot of cancellations. Today hopefully there's going to be less cancellations. It's less windy. The start of yesterday I wanted to see was the Red Arrows, which I missed because I fell asleep, got here too late. And there was meant to be a Saab Drake from the Swedish Air Force. It was cancelled luckily, so that was good. But today it's meant to be coming here. It's coming from Bournemouth. So we'll try and capture it on camera. It's nearly 2:30. I think it's the first plane to start, and it's nearly 2:30. We've got about 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure I just saw it out in the sea, circling. So we'll do a video of it, hopefully. I'll probably go on the pier and film it, because it's quite good on there, filming. Right, see you in a bit. Bit of noise, here we go. We got the Drake and we got it just in time. Can't even get it on camera. Where is it? There it is. So it's going to the west. I've lost it. Oh, bloody hell. Cloud, you can't see it. It's just come back out of the cloud. He's certainly picking up some speed. Blimey. He's turning, he's coming. What's this? just turn the brightness up because the picture is very dark, and it's not actually that dark in reality. So look at this. Whoa. Scan some there. Woohoo! Has he gone above the cloud again? Can't see him. He's gone. Whoosh! Must be low cloud over there. Well, I think that's it. It's gone. So it's just under 10 minutes, that display. So I hope you enjoyed that. At least I got it. That was meant to come here yesterday, and it didn't come here. But it come here today on day 2, so that's good. That makes up for me missing the red arrows yesterday. So as you can see, it's sort of the weather's a bit dodgy. You've got some dodgy clouds over there. The sun's sort of out a bit, but it's very cloudy. There's a bit of blue sky over there, over Hastings and to the east of Eastbourne, near where I live. But as you can see here, it's slowly clouding up again. Never mind. Right, well, I'll film some more when there's some more action. So the sun's out. There's a few people here. Looks busier along there. I think I can just see another plane coming in. So there we go. We'll film a bit more when we go along. So there's the beach. It's got a cloud over Beachy Head there, going around the back of Eastbourne. The beach is sort of packed. Bit of a breeze again. So we're at the end of the pier. It's quite busy near the drop in the ocean bar. Might get a drink. So we got the jet Provost. This was here yesterday when I missed it. So we'll get some coverage. Here we go. So we're filming on the pier. I think it's a bit better on the pier, you're nearer. Too far out if you're on the beach. a little boat. It's a bit like the one I got. Same engine.
Sorry.
Is that it? That's probably it. So that big black cloud's going inland, so that's good. So it's a bit brighter. Someone's got a big camera, zoom lens. Good entrance of the Lancaster bomber. Can't see any Spitfires though, or Hurricanes. Look how low he is, blimmin' heck. Not much for room for error there. If something goes wrong, he's in the sea. Hopefully we'll get a good shot here of him coming towards us. That's looking pretty cool. How low he is. It's about what, 100 feet? 50 foot above the sea? That's mental. Can't say I've ever seen it fly that low before. Right, we'll wait for him to turn round. As it's a big beast. So if you watch one of my other videos, it flew over my house a few years ago. Did 2 circuits, very low, which I was very lucky to film. So you should do a right bank. Here we go, this is going to be pretty close. Ah, he's turned a bit too quick, never mind. Hiding behind this pier somewhere. Where is it? Whoa, look at that. Carriage down. So hello again, it's 3:30 now. There's not much happening at that air show. I sort of got bored, there was no flying displays. There might be a few more, but I'm going to leave it for now. I'm just going into town, probably get something to eat and a drink somewhere. So if you like this video, click thumbs up, subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK, and hit the notification bell for future videos.
We are hoping that's going to be ZJ913, affectionately known as Moggy.
Yeah, now we know. Like, how come you don't know you're part of the team?
That I do know. Unfortunately, my phone signal's not that great here, so trying to get information from the engineering team, unfortunately, I don't have that up-to-date info, but we are still hoping.
Yeah, okay, well, let's hope it is as well. Now, Turbo, David Turnbull, is just one of a long line of really outstanding pilots. I don't know what it is about the Typhoon fleet, but everyone that comes along seems to invent a little addition, a little new manoeuvre.
So I was giving up on this air show, but they've started up some more flying displays. They had the Pit Special and the Bravo, which I filmed yesterday, so that's on another video. They just had a Mustang and a Spitfire. I got the Mustang but not the Spitfire. And now we got the Typhoon coming in, so I'm going to film this for you. So this is pretty cool. This makes up for having a gap, so I hope you enjoy it. So I'll film it when it arrives. Here we go.
Well, if you look up to the east and you're at the time, you don't get much time to talk about it. Then you'll see the hard points of the ASRAM, the AMRAM, the Storm Shadow, the Brimstone, the Paveway, lines of Gary Bomb, and of course the 27mm Moser. Piling on, of course, and now really excessive use of G inside the small area. Up to 9 G, that's 9 times your body weight. Now, what's your particular specialism on this aircraft? You all have different talents, so...
Yeah, so my work I tend to do day-to-day, I work as a weapons technician, so looking at the objective suite and the weapons system on this mine operation.
Indeed, and this would be one of the latest generation of weapons suits as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah, so this is the Mark 16.
These extraordinary aircraft for left off jet, but he has daytime duties training other pilots and of course going on QRO as not only can you fly very fast, but you can fly very slow. You'll see a little bit of that moment, but right now, here's a great example of a slow roll. Now that is quite an hard sport for any pilot. Even more difficult perhaps than a machine of this weight and this power.
can hear the throttles coming off a little bit, getting into a very slow barrel. And then with the throttles right back, you notice how incredibly quiet this has become, but he's still flying at about 110, 120 knots. He'll stick back towards him, and in a high profile, high alpha we call this, just before, especially the angle of the aircraft where it's still flying, but it's close to the upper angle of attack before it will fall out of the sky. Of course, the little computer on board would never let it do that, but the little canards in the front there, if you've got high-profile photographic lenses and binos, you see them tipping away because they are just keeping the aircraft under 40 back to the airfield and start refueling it, checking all the equipment, yeah? Yeah, so the guys back there. Okay, but you've got a spare? We do have a spare. Ah, that's great. We saw you Thursday actually beating up the area. Ah, look at this magnificent stuff. He's going to pick it away from here now. Standing stuff. Now you can do a lot to protect yourself and mitigate against positive G, but you cannot do anything about negative G. It's a very hard thing, you just have to get used to it and endure it. So a lot of physical fitness training goes into it, plus the mitigation. It's got chest piece, leg piece. Not during practice, but I have had the privilege of having a go in the backseat of a normal sort. That's been fantastic. Well, I reckon he's going to go full throttle now, pointed at us, and then just reach for the sky, because we have clearances in place to enable Turbo just to set this jet on his tail and say, farewell airborne, see you tomorrow.
Wow, that was pretty cool.
Turbo for doing that, and just say what a great day it is. What a shame he can't just top it down and have a chat with us. But thank you for joining us, and good luck with the rest of the season. Cheers, thanks very much, and we'll see you the rest of the weekend. You will indeed.
Right, that's it for the air show today, day 2, Friday. They said there's going to be more tomorrow, so I might come back tomorrow and do some more coverage. Some of it's going to be repetitive, but at least I filmed some different stuff today. We got a Typhoon, we got a Mustang, we got the what was it, the Drake. So yeah, it's a pretty good day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK, hit the bell, notification bell for all future videos. Bye for now from sunny Eastbourne. Yes, the sun's out. Look, the sun's out. What's happened? The dark clouds have gone away. Maybe there is a summer here in the UK still. Right, bye-bye.